question which is asking us to prepare income statement, and the data is very short. Short data. Short data yani ratios. Ratios are given and the examiner is saying prepare income statement for 18 Allahu Akbar, 18 marks. October, November 2012. A2 paper code is 42. It is old scheme, that's why it's 42. But in the new scheme, which is 2024 scheme, the financial accounting is paper 31, 32, 33 as per the region. Okay. Now, the final accounts of Abercrombie BLC for the year ended this has been prepared. Tuck, 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 tuck. Rate of inventory turnover 10 times. GP ratio, gross profit margin 35%. Net profit ratio 15. Income gearing 12.5. Admin expenses are for the year were twice as much for the distribution cost. Wow. They are saying that your admin cost is double of distribution cost. Tax charges for the year was equal to half of the interest. The tax is half of your interest. Okay. Inventory 30th April 12. This is my year end. The inventory at year end was this, which was 25% higher than the starting inventory. So I do have closing inventory, and they are saying that closing is 25% higher or 25% above the closing is above, closing higher by 25% as compared to the opening. Okay. Now,
Okay.
statement format is sales revenue, and this is a company. Okay. So let
Okay.
cost of sales, and we knows in the cost of sale we have opening inventory, net purchases, and we deduct closing inventory from it, and ultimately we have our answer, which is gross profit. The problem is one by one. Let's see, very few numbers are given. The first number is given, which is closing inventory 81250, right?
Yes.
Now the problem is this is something here. I want to crack it. I would like to crack it. Closing inventory is 25% higher than opening inventory. Am I wrong or am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
It means that the closing inventory, which is 81250, is 125% because it's 25% above, right or wrong?
Yes.
So what is the 100% of it? Have to do maths. Sir, maths.
Cross multiply.
Hey. So 81250 represents 125%, and we need only 100% in it, which is my opening inventory. What is the answer? Maths.
Yes.
It's
65,000.
subhanallah. So we got our opening inventory with the help of mathematics, with the help of some cross multiplication rules. Wow. But the problem is we don't know the purchases. We don't know the cost of sales. This is cost of sales, no? So we don't know revenue as well. And we don't know the gross profit as well. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4 question marks. What is this? Astaghfirullah al-azim. So let's see how I can play around with it. Cost of sale, I know the formula. Opening inventory plus net purchases minus closing inventory. Closing is 81250. Opening is 65,000. We don't know the purchases as well as we don't know the cost of sales. Am I right?
Yes.
Now I am thinking, do any formula they mentioned here in which we have inventory or cost,
Yes.
something like that? So they mention here inventory turnover in times. So now thinking, how to find out inventory turnover?
The
What
formula,
else? What is the formula of inventory?
cost of goods sold over average inventory.
Inventory turnover. I am not asking in months. I am asking in form of times. So what was the formula?
Cost of goods sold
Cost of sales. Okay.
and then average inventory.
Are you sure? Multiply by nothing because we need it in times, right?
Yes.
Think again, please. Check the formula again, please. So you are right. Inventory turnover is given here 10 times. Am I right? 10
Mhm.
times. 10 times. We are here to find out cost of sales. Average inventory formula is opening plus closing divided by 2. What is the average inventory coming? What is the answer?
It is I did like the whole thing. So
Can you tell
wait.
me? Calculate.
773,125.
What is that?
73,125.
This is average inventory. Now solving the maths. How? 10 multiplied by 73125 is going to be the x. So cost of sale, which is the x value, is 731,250. Am I wrong or right?
Yes.
So we have, after a long journey, we are now able to find out cost of sales. Mashallah. This is 7731250. Am I right?
Yes.
We put 731,250 here. So can you tell me what are the purchases? Can you say
747 747 500.
any opening is gonna be deducted, going other side, deduct, closing gonna other side, plus. So 7, how much? 47, 500. Very nice. Now what we calculate here, let's put it in the main stream, yani in the income statement. 747,500. Cost of sale is 731,250. Am I right till here?
Uh-huh.
Problems.
Yeah.
Now, gross profit margin is how much?
35%.
Gross profit. Gross profit is always margin, huh? 35%. Leave some space, huh? After gross profit, we will continue the income statement, but I don't have space, so I'm doing a working here to find out the revenue, okay? You know,
All
sales
right.
cost plus profit. Profit
Mm-hmm.
is 35%. Gross profit
100 sales.
margin. Margin means
Say
100. Cost is going to be 65.
yes.
We have cost already.
65.
Already found the cost. 731,250. Cost represents 65%. So divide by 65. And what we need? We need sales.
100.
So multiply by 100. What is the answer?
It is 111250000.
So what is the gross profit then?
It is
393,750.
393,750.
This is not
393,750.
count. We need to complete the income statement. Till now, we earned 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marks we made. We earned 10 marks till now, 8 marks left. Why? Because we just completed the trading section. Trading section means yani we are here till gross profit amount. After that, admin costs, distribution costs, expenses, tuck, 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 and then we have net profit. So first you need to note it down because I need to remove all the workings before we move on. Please note down jaldi jaldi. Okay, forward. Now,
Uh-huh.
this is not the final answer. We don't need gross profit, we need income statement. And we know the income statement of a company is going to have distribution cost, is going to have administrative expenses. And the answer after deducting both of them is profit from operations. Correct? And
Yeah.
from operations, we deduct interest expense, or we knows it as finance cost. Then we have profit before tax. We deduct tax and we have profit for the year. Am I right or am I wrong?
Yes.
That is the format we learned from our childhood time and from our IGCSE, then 8S, and now in A2. The main thing is how to do it. How to do that. I can say that I am easily, I am able to find out easily the profit for the year. Why? Why I am saying so? Because I have a net profit margin.
Mm.
Profit margin is 15%. So 1125000 is my revenue and 15% is the margin. So what is my net profit? Very easy. So simple. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
How much?
168,750.
168.
750.
And this is the answer of profit from operations. Always remember when we apply revenue multiplied by net profit percentage, the answer is operating profit. Okay, always remember that. It's not the final net profit, it is always the operating profit. Any problem?
No problem.
Now, interest. I am easily able to find out interest, then tax and distribution cost and admin cost. All we need to do. Let's try for distribution and admin cost. First of all, if I asked you, can you tell me what is the cumulative number which supposed to be deducted from 393,750 to reach 168,750? What is the cumulative number?
Uh,
Is it some maths? 393,750.
yes. I think
So what is the maths? Okay, waiting.
225000.
Very nice. Yani 393,750 minus x is equal to 168,750. The x will go other side. 168,750 come here, and it is 225,000. This is
Mm.
the total means it's distribution and admin both. So reading this line and again doing some maths. Admin expense are twice as of distribution. So how to do it? Admin is twice.
Mm,
So I can say this 225000 has three parts, total three, right?
yes.
Two parts are going to be shared with administration and one part is going to be shared with distribution. Am I right or wrong? Any?
Yeah.
2 and 1. 2 and 1. Total is 3. Right or wrong? So 2 ratio
Mm-hmm.
total is 3. 2 ratio 1 we will distribute 225000 as a ratio of 2 and 1. So what is the answers? What are the answers?
Wait.
I guess 75,000.
75,000 and the other is
Well,
150,000.
doing this is going till here. We earned 4 more marks. Now moving to interest, which will give us 1 more mark, tax 1 more marks, and final answer. Now 3 marks left. So till here we earned around 15 marks, mashallah. Now the problem is, now tax is half of interest. So we need to find out interest first to get the tax, right or wrong.
Yes.
There is no information, but one ratio is given, which is income gearing ratio. So income,
Mm-hmm.
how to calculate income gearing? What is the formula of income gearing? It is profit from operations divided
Mm-hmm.
by interest. Profit from operations, simple, divided by interest, and this is the formula, so multiply by 100. What my point? Now,
Yes.
12.5%, 12.5%. Profit from operation is 168,750. 100 will remain like this. We need to find out the x, right?
Yeah.
So maths, how to do it?
Wait.
0.5 divided by 100 is equals to 168,750 and divided by x, right? So it's
Yes.
0.5 is equals to 168,750 divided by x. What next? X will be on the other side divided by 0.125. How much is the answer? What is the answer?
Uh,
Interest.
21093.75.
21094. Rounded it off. 21094. Profit before tax is how much now? Doing now plus minus.
Uh, is 147656.
Interest, half of interest is tax. So interest is 21094. Half of it is how much?
It is 42188. No?
And half, not double.
Yeah,
Half.
10,547.
And we got profit for the year. And that
137. Yeah.
got my point or no?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Note down and see if you have any questions, any query, please.
Okay.